Good morning, guys. Of course, it's July 3rd, and your girl is trying to get her flat tire repaired. Okay, the wrecker is here to get my vehicle, and this is the safest way to do it. Listen, if you get a flat, especially with a vehicle this size, it's probably best to get a wrecker just because you can't go the speed limit. And there's a possibility that your second dually could get a flat. So I chose to get a wrecker rather than drive it to NTB. And I'm going to give a shout out to Aaron, who has his own wrecking company here in he's closest to Galveston, Tennessee. I am in Portland, Tennessee. And he was able to come and get me. And now we're going to head out to NTB. And he's the owner of Save Your Towing. Save Your Towing, guys. Listen, if you need towing, if you need any type of assistance, give Aaron a call. He's more than willing to come out and get you.
What was the name again?
Hey guys, it's your girl Annie from Medical School Life. Living the van life.
Okay.
And there's my baby on the flatbed. We finally made it to NTB, and we're going to get these tires changed, and then we'll be back on the road. All right. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.
Okay, good luck.
Are you? You're Nick. You're Nick. I spoke with Paul earlier. I think it was Paul.
Yes.
Who's helping me with my Annielance.
Okay.
I had a flat. I had a blow. I was on my way to Chicago, and I got a flat. So, that's my little tiny home.
Okay.
And
Okay. I know he was talking to you. I'll let him. He'll be back up front in just a moment.
Okay.
And he knows more about what's going on than I do.
Yes.
So,
And let me ask you a question. Do you think by the time one tire blows, is it like a domino effect?
well, that's all going to depend because typically, a lot of times, if a tire just blows, what happens is you might pick up a nail or something going down the road, and that tire pressure drops. Well, when your tire pressure drops, the heat inside the tire goes up tremendously, and then it's just going to go boom.
Oh, okay.
So it could be a freak of nature thing.
Right.
You check your other tires. Okay.
Great.
If one just blows out, that's usually what happens.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This has definitely been an experience for me. My first flat tire on my little tiny home. I built that out to a tiny home, so everything is in the back. My TV, my bed, my refrigerator, my microwave. But I love it. It's my little RV. Look, guys, they're downloading my Annielance, and I'm learning all about blown tires. I'm learning all about dualies in the back. Normally, every vehicle I've had only had 4 tires, but not in this case. In this case, I have 6 tires. So it's a learning curve for me. So listen, as we get going and as things kind of pan out with the tires and everything, I'm going to keep you all posted. Because I know I'm not the only one out here living the van life, all right? So everything I do, everything I come across is a learning experience for all of us. All right, talk to you soon, guys.